Hello everyone, I'm going to show you how to activate your Wise card in Malaysia. So let's get started. First of all, make sure to log in into your Wise account with your right credentials. If you don't have an account, make sure to create one. After that, go ahead in the left menu and select on cards. Select order a new card. After that, you need to choose between physical or digital card. I will select digital because it's free. After that, select order your digital card. Now once you do that, you'll be redirected to this page. You'll be asked to how would you like to pay. You can either select your bank transfer, your debit or credit card if you have, or even a Swift transfer. I will select a debit card and then select continue to payment. After that, make sure to fill in this card information holders with your right information with either Visa, MasterCard or Maestro. After that, select pay this amount. Once you complete the card request process, it will be processed by the system. You just need to wait for a couple of moments until your request gets approved, and you will find your card ready right here, and you can use it whenever you want. If you find this video is helpful, make sure to like and subscribe, and see you on the next one.